out all of the windows on the west side of the building, blew out 3 dock doors on there, just completely pushed them into the building on there. Our back wall is metal compared to the rest of the concrete building, and that metal wall is buckled on there, and some of the lights inside the building are all hanging everywhere. There's a lot of debris and stuff inside the building, and some walls that look like they might have shifted a little bit, so we're trying to get an engineer out to make sure there's no structural damage.
And you say none of your employees were here?
No. Fortunately, our cleaning crew left about 9 o'clock last night, so the blast, I think, happened around 9:30, so everyone was free and clear, and that's really what matters.
Tell me about that, because you said you were at home at the time of the blast, and you...
Yeah, I live about 20 miles north in Kenosha, on the north side of Kenosha, and was sitting watching TV downstairs and heard the windows shake in the house, and asked my wife, "Did you feel that too?" And she didn't think it was thunder, didn't think anything of it, and I started looking on Facebook, and there's all sorts of crazy reports of what had happened, and started seeing that it was right next door to us out there. So my brother and I jumped on the car and came down here, and we're down here by about 10:15 last night and stayed till almost 2 in the morning.
But actually 20 miles away.
Yeah, we live right by the Mars Cheese.